Hello everyone. If you are tired of removing background manually, then today I will tell you its easy and fast alternate. In this video, I will teach you how to remove background of any image in a few seconds using AI. This task can be done in any device as you require a browser for it. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. At first, open your browser and search for background remover. You will get a lot of results, but select this one. Later I will show you why I think this website is best. Now click in this upload button and select the required image. Your file will be uploaded to server and its AI will identify for image and background automatically. Now our PNG is ready. If you are not satisfied, you also have an option to edit here. And the important thing to notice is you cannot download SD image for free. So click in this button. I think this resolution is enough for our general use. Now our image is downloaded. Let's see the result. You can see the age detection is perfect here. That's why I suggest you to use this website. Because I tried a lot of websites, but most of them had poor age detection and some sites were same as its copy. If you don't want to use website, then you can find its app in Play Store, and that is again based on this website. So that's all for today. Enjoy and save a lot of time. Drop a like if this video was helpful. Feel free to comment. Meet you soon with the next interesting topic. Thank you for being with me. Bye bye.